So Neil likes this city better than Warsaw.
Oh, these old buildings are better looking, for sure.
And it's on the bigger scale, I could say.
Yeah.
Each street has this very beautiful, colorful.
Warsaw old town is pretty small.
Hmm. So it's rainy outside and I get a bit annoyed by rain, so I wanted to go to coffee shop and Neo chose this very, very nice place. I like it.
I think it's better than Starbucks because Starbucks is always the same. If we're here, we don't have to get Starbucks. Underrated countries on our trip.
I agree.
Like we didn't expect anything, but apparently they have very cute and colorful cities, great infrastructure, it's good price for what you pay for, and
Very good highways.
yeah, it's very misunderstood as a country. I mean, maybe it's different if you lived here, but when visiting, it's great.
Yes, very beautiful. So Neo says that here we have Euro pretty houses, and here, what do you see here?
They're in Soviet Union.
But still, the city is really well maintained. Okay, we came to this one. This is pretty. Hi guys, we still in Poland. We stopped on this very nice service station for tonight, and now we're gonna cook something very special for me at least.
Well, it's not that special. It's like one of those self-heating packets. It's a beef noodle with tomato flavor. We picked it up at this Chinese grocery store. There, I really wanted it, and it's kind of pricey,
Oh,
but
it's very pricey.
that's price is like 10 euros or something.
Yeah,
But let's give it a try.
yeah. So I saw them before, but I never tried them. But now I kind of wanted it. So let's see how it's work. So it cost us 48 zloty. It's around 10 euro.
Yeah, it's like 10 euros.
That's how it looks
Instruction
like.
container. And
Yeah.
that's the instruction.
Mhm. So these noodles, they don't really need any hot water. They have self-heating thing. Oh, when you read it, I'll show you what it has. So it has number 1, noodles. Some capillaries. Number 2, pickled vegetables. Number 3, beef. And number 4,
Can I explain everything here?
yeah, sure. 4 big bags with ingredients. Okay, noodles. Oh, this is those
these
rice
noodles.
noodles.
Okay.
Oh, so
These
tiny
noodles.
white noodles. Okay, number 2, vegetable. Veggies. Oh,
Ooh.
looks so yummy. Look how many veggies are there. Oh, so yummy. So we have lotus root, some seaweed, and something that I can't really identify. But these are definitely lotus roots. Maybe ginger.
Could be a little bit spicy, looks like.
That's okay.
Okay. And
So-
then
This is everything what we got in. Now we need to pour some cold water here. Now the most interesting part. We need to pour a little bit water in this pot, like really little bit. And now, okay, heating pack. Eesh. Oh, look at this! It starts to hit. So we also have cutlery. I think it's 1 spoon and 1 chopstick, but
Oh.
you have to make those this pair of chopsticks.
it's cute.
Toothpick and napkin. Okay, let's wait. So we have to wait 15 minutes, and after that we can eat. I'm
Nice.
very excited.
35, 550.
Okay, we've seen it's done. So yeah, let's open. Hot.
Not that hot.
Oh.
Stir everything. It's like rice noodles. It's not really.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like rice noodles. It's hot and it's good. It's not spicy.
Not
that
spicy.
Not spicy.
Yummy.
Very yummy. You like the soup?
Okay, I'll try the soup.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so tomato.
It's not super hot though.
It's good. Very yummy. Yes.
This comes with so much sauce and
Mm-hmm.
flavor and stuff, so it's good.
Beef good too?
Everything is good.
Oh, okay, guys. So it worth it. so beautiful.